to this channel, please. Wait. People, thanks for clicking the link. So Nick wants to unbox his inflatable lounge chair. So he ordered that from
Amazon.
And how much is it?
41 quid.
It's for £41. Show them what it looks like. So that's the box.
You can't really see it, only like there.
So I have bought him a bean bag, but he's not very happy with it, which I'm actually sat on it. So he's not very happy about it. Why don't you like the bean bag?
It's too small, so somebody as fat as me.
It's too small for him basically, so he wants something else. So this bean bag is just for me then to use.
And guests.
He'll have that. And guests. So yeah, he's gonna unbox it now. And let's see. Buy?
Yes.
Yeah, is it worth it?
Yes.
Okay. So that's for the unboxing, guys. So Nick is gonna enjoy his lounge chair while watching the telly. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you're new to this channel, please wait. Iba yung hawakan ko. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. See you again soon. Bye.
Bye.